Hey, Anna, over here.
Hi, Sam. Sorry, did I make you wait long?
Not at all. I just arrived a few minutes ago.
Really? That's good. I was worried because the traffic was so heavy tonight.
Don't worry, you are right on time.
Thank goodness. Oh, wow, this restaurant looks so beautiful from outside.
It does. The lights and decorations are really nice.
Honestly, Sam, I feel a little nervous right now
Nervous? Why?
because this place looks very expensive and elegant. I have never eaten at a restaurant like this before.
Really?
Yes, I usually eat at simple places like cafes or burger shops.
That's completely okay.
But what if I do something wrong inside?
Anna, relax. Fine dining is not as scary as it looks.
You think so?
Of course, you only need to know a few simple things.
Just a few things?
Yes, and I'll help you the whole time.
That makes me feel much better.
Good. Tonight will be fun, not stressful.
Okay, I'll try to relax.
That's the spirit. Ready to go inside?
Yes, let's do it.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Table for two, please.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it is under Sam.
Let me check. Yes, I found it. A table for two at 7 p.m.
That's right.
Wonderful. Please follow me.
Thank you very much.
Here is your table. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
I will bring your menus in just a moment.
Thank you. Sam, I did it. I talked to the waiter myself.
You did very well.
Really?
Yes, your English sounded clear and polite.
That makes me happy.
See, there was nothing to worry about.
Maybe you're right. Okay, Sam, teach me the basics before I make a mistake.
Sure, let's start with posture.
Posture?
Yes, try to sit up straight.
Like this?
Perfect. You look relaxed but polite. Try not to put your elbows on the table while eating.
Oh, I've heard that before.
You can rest your hands lightly on the table, but not your elbows.
Got it. No elbows. And what about this napkin?
Ah, good question. It's actually simple. Pick it up, unfold it gently, and place it on your lap.
On my lap?
Yes, just like that.
Okay, I think I did it correctly. And what do I use it for?
You use it to wipe your mouth gently during the meal.
Oh, I see.
For example, before drinking water, you can lightly wipe your mouth.
That sounds easy enough.
And if you accidentally spill something, you can use the napkin too.
Good to know.
But don't use it to clean the whole table.
Because the staff will clean it?
Exactly.
Restaurant manners are actually simpler than I expected.
See, I told you.
Wait, what if I need to leave the table for a moment?
Then place the napkin on your chair.
On the chair?
Yes, putting it on the table means you finished eating.
Chair means I'll come back. Table means I'm done. I'm learning quickly tonight.
You really are.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, we are. I would like the grilled salmon, please.
Excellent choice. And what would you like to drink with your meal?
I would like a glass of iced tea, please. And for my friend, he would like the mushroom pasta with the lemonade.
Wonderful.
Oh, and could we also have some bread for the table?
Of course. So that is 1 grilled salmon, 1 mushroom pasta, 1 iced tea, 1 lemonade, and bread for the table.
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Your meals will be ready in about 20 minutes.
Sounds great.
Enjoy your evening.
Thank you.
Great job, Anna.
Really?
Yes, you ordered very naturally.
I was nervous at first, but saying I would like made it easier. Okay, the food is here. Wow, this looks amazing.
It smells delicious, too.
The salmon looks perfect.
And this pasta looks incredible.
Okay, Sam, before I start eating, tell me the fork and knife rules.
All right, hold the fork in your left hand and the knife in your right hand.
Like this?
Perfect.
Now what?
Cut one small piece at a time.
Not everything together.
No, one piece at a time looks more polite.
Okay, I understand.
Then use the fork to eat the piece you cut.
This is easier than I expected.
Most things are once you practice.
Oh, wow. This salmon tastes amazing. It's soft and full of flavor.
My pasta is excellent too.
This restaurant was a great choice.
I'm glad you like it.
What other restaurant manners should I know?
Try to chew quietly and keep your mouth closed while eating. And don't talk while chewing.
Finish chewing first, then speak. Oh, can you pass me the bread, please?
Sure.
Thanks.
See, that was perfect.
I'm learning so much tonight.
And you're doing everything very naturally.
Honestly, I feel much more relaxed. I was scared before coming here, but now I'm enjoying every moment.
That's what dining out should feel like.
Relaxing and enjoyable.
Exactly.
Excuse me, we are finished with our meal.
Of course. Did you enjoy everything tonight?
Yes, everything was wonderful. The food was excellent.
I'm very happy to hear that.
Could we have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here is your bill.
Thank you. You can pay with cash or card. I'll pay by card, please. Certainly.
Sam, can I ask something?
Of course.
Is tipping necessary here?
In many countries, people leave a small tip for good service,
Oh, I see.
usually around 10 to 15%.
But it depends on the country, right?
Exactly. In some countries, tipping is not common at all. Thank you very much. Here is your receipt. Thank you. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you for the wonderful service tonight. You're very welcome. Have a lovely evening. Thank you.
Sam, tonight was really special.
I had a great time too.
I was extremely nervous before entering the restaurant, but now I feel completely different.
You became very confident.
Yes, I learned so many useful things tonight. I learned how to ask for a table politely. I learned how to use the napkin correctly. I learned how to order food naturally in English.
You did very well with that.
And I learned how to use the fork and knife properly.
See? That's a lot of progress in one evening. And what was the most important thing you learned?
Maybe that restaurant manners are not as difficult as I imagined.
Exactly. You just need to relax, be polite, and enjoy yourself.
Thank you for helping me tonight, Sam.
Anytime.
Next time, I want to try ordering everything by myself again.
Absolutely. Then let's come back again someday.
Tonight was such a good experience.
I'll remember it too. Good night, Anna. Get home safely.
Good night, Sam. See you soon.
See you soon.